Thank you. Morning. My God. I am so tired. Yo. Anyway, I just got done with the worksheets. Just touched down in a London town. Anyway, sorry. I just got done with my worksheets. So I'm officially offline. Like, this trip is officially beginning. Not beginning, but like, I'm done with work. I was supposed to be leaving tomorrow, but I extended my stay until Sunday. Lady's at the hotel and she's like, come and have a nap. We need to sleep. We went to the club last night. Much of last night can't be remembered. Anyway, I don't even know. Okay, I'm waiting for my Uber, but I don't know what the number plate is. Honestly, one of these taxis must take me, because just touched down in a London town. I'm wearing green eyeshadow. I hate colorful eyeshadow, but because of the shoots I'm doing, they did green eyeshadow on me. Wait, let me see my New York. Sweet beach in New York. I'd like to see LA. I really want you. Yeah. You be my American boy. American boy. Da 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 dee, da. Yo, where is my Uber? Guys, the fact that my lace, my wig, like, lady was trying to help me with my fucking wig because it was lifting already. And she was sitting there butt naked. And when I say naked, like, naked, doing my hair, I was like, what the fuck is happening right now? But I'm gonna fix it when I get back to the hotel because I'm done working now. So yeah, it's like cold there. It's not cold, but it is. Jeez, I thought I'd ended the live. Sorry, guys. I thought I ended the live, but I'm waiting for my Uber. I honestly look like I don't know. I look like I hate colorful eyeshadow, guys. Like, and I had to wait for the shoot, and I'm thinking, when I get back to the hotel, must I wipe my makeup off and redo my makeup? Because lady was like, no, come back, let's take a nap, and then we're going for lunch. So I'm like, should I start afresh with my makeup? I mean, green makeup isn't horrible, it complements my eyes, but I just don't like colorful makeup. Like, I think that's my Uber. Fuck, I ordered an Uber Black. Guys, hey, the money that is required to be this side is insane. I'm never coming back to the UK unless I'm with, I'm never coming back to the UK unless I'm with the new bae. Oh, hello.
How you doing?
Good, thanks. Sorry about that.
No problem at all. It's from Paris Hotel, yeah?
Yes, please. It's so far, no?
Not too far, yeah.
Do you know what "ne" means?
Yeah?
Have you had like South African riders?
Yeah.
Yes.
I've got some of them, yeah.
Yeah, so "ne" means like right, like it's what we say to kind of place emphasis on something.
Yeah.
So you can be like, the weather's really nice, ne?
Mm-hmm.
And it means like right.
All right.
Yes.
What is that just the way South Africans speak?
Yeah, that's what we say, ne? All the time. You know?
And what kind of, is it just a slang in South Africa?
Yeah, it is slang because I don't think it actually belongs to any specific language, but yeah.
South Africans, when they speak Afrikaans, I can understand them.
Afrikaans?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. At least, well, I don't speak Afrikaans.
I can understand them a bit.
Jeez, so have people come into your car speaking Afrikaans?
Yeah, pardon. Yeah.
That's crazy. You need to tell them to get the fuck out.
Oh,
Nelson Mandela remembers. You know Nelson Mandela.
yeah.
Exactly. You know what the Afrikaans did to us. Yeah. I know, I can't. Uh,
Got it shut.
Also, why don't you guys have frozen strawberry daiquiris? Why are your strawberry daiquiris like in
the UK?
like a juice form?
Yeah.
Because back home, when you say I want a strawberry daiquiri, it's like a slushy, like it's in that ice frozen form.
It's not in the ice frozen form. Where are you from?
South Africa.
From South Africa. So how you guys do it?
It's like a slush.
It's like a slush.
Yes.
It's watery.
Yeah. No, it's like a slush. Like it's icy.
It's icy.
Yes.
It's like icy.
Yes. But you guys, your daiquiris are okay. I keep forgetting that these people don't know what I mean when I say things, guys. Ngeke is like no, like I'm saying like no ways.
What do they say? Ngeke?
Ngeke. Like it's like it's like no man.
Like no man.
Like
Ngeke.
fucking you need to be around your mandem and say ngeke. You'll see how they look at you.
No man.
God.
Every country have it, man. I grew up in the Netherlands, so they have
Netherlands.
Like, hot for
Oh, so you understand Afrikaans basically?
Yeah. So they have like hot for
'Cause-
everything. The Dutch speak hot for doma.
Yeah.
God damn it.
Yeah.
This everything they said.
Can you speak it fluently,
Yeah,
or
I
you
speak
just have a vague?
No, I speak it fluent.
Say something, please.
Alles goed? Hoe gaat het?
Ow.
De
Hoe gaan dit?
Hoe gaan dit?
Hoe gaan
Ja, de
dit?
Afrikaanse people.
Hoe gaan dit?
Hoe gaan dit? Ja, hoe gaat?
Julle
We
weet
haven't
niet wat ons weet.
Yeah.
No? Yeah.
Yeah.
That means you don't know what we know. Because we are the best rugby nation on earth.
How do they say it?
Julle weet niet wat ons weet.
Yeah.
Weet, ja.
Yeah, we say je weet niet wat ons... Ja, same. Je weet het niet, man. Je weet het niet.
So when did you move to London? 12?
Yeah, so...
Oh, jeez. Okay, I want to move here and I'm gonna stay at your house.
This is a good country.
I need to start my life here. I'll be a waitress. I don't care. I just need to leave.
Ah, if he's doing a waitress, you can...
But South Africa is really the best country on earth.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. We are the number one. We have the friendliest people. We are always for the vibes. South African women drink the most on the African continent.
Yeah?
And I'm part of that statistic.
Really?
Yes, we have the best people. We are friendly, and we also are the rugby champions of the world.
Yeah, I can see this guy.
No one is touching us via rugby. Everywhere you go, you need to understand that the Springboks are holding us down.
When they do all the Zulu dance, you know. Like,
Sure.
they do
No,
the Zulu
I
dance.
love being South African. Like
And,
we are. Yo,
scouting from South Africa.
I could actually cry just thinking about my
Is
country.
it a scout from South Africa? Originated from South
Who's from South Africa?
Scouting.
Scouting.
Yeah, scout, you know, like scout, military scout.
Okay, I don't know about
You
military.
don't know scout? Like,
I don't know.
it's something-
Niggas in SA don't be in the
Yeah, the
military.
guy's name was Colin Powell, you know. He's in history. Oh. He has a lot of South African things. In
Oh, really?
National anthem, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, was-
nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
I was from school in Africa anyway, from Sierra Leone. I was born in Sierra Leone, by the way.
Sierra
Yeah,
Leone.
Sierra Leone.
Oh, nice. Beautiful.
Anyway, move here. You're welcome. There's a lot of job if you want.
Yeah, I'll get no one.
And it's very
Yeah,
cool.
I'm gonna move here. You're gonna host me at your house for a year
No problem.
while I get my bearings.
We'll do
Nah?
that.
Okay.
Yeah. Nah.
Nah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Now you know, nah.
Exactly, yeah.
Thank you. Bye bye. You're giving Ingi Nimele Boza. What? Guys, I don't care about anything that you're saying. South Africa is the best country on earth, and I will keep saying it. Being here, I've never been, I think naturally, obviously, we are all patriotic, or we should be, but I've never been more patriotic than I have here. And I'm like, guys, julle weet nie wat ons weet. Like, South Africa is the best country on earth. I'm sorry. We too untapped. And shout out to Sia Kolisi, baby, because you even made us better. I love SA. I love home. I love you guys. Truly, I'm supposed to be going to my room, but at the hotel, drinks start at 12. It's not 12. It's 11:30. So best believe I need a drink and I need some food. Hi, how are you? Do you have alcohol?
Sorry?
Do you have alcohol?
Alcohol?
Alcohol. Like
Yes.
cocktails.
No, cocktail no. There's sangria, tinto de verano, beer, wine.
Okay, and then you have food.
Yes.
I need, like, I'm hungry. What should a hungry girl eat? Ooh, you have these nice. I want a sandwich.
In the price.
I don't eat pork.
Yes. Everything pork.
Oh, so you don't have chicken ham?
No.
Oh, ish, I don't need
Sorry.
pork. Thank you. Fighting for my life. Did you just say Danko? No. I vote for a heavenly government. Like, the green eyeshadow is so mindful of the boca holding us down. The fucking boca! SA niggas just know Jaeger bombs, not actual bombs. Hey, bana, guys. I hate this fucking green eyeshadow. I look like Cruella de fucking Vil. Okay, that's my hotel. Where am I gonna get good food? I'm so hungry. I don't even want to admit to Lady that I'm hungry because she just keeps saying to me, how are you so hungry? It's either you have worms or you're pregnant. Bitch, I'm just starving, okay? A girl is genuinely starving. Yo, and I just want chicken, guys. There's no way that I haven't eaten chicken in 2 days. Unheard of. Unheard of. Naked under your coat. No, I'm not. I'm wearing Kuyabanda. I don't even know who to ask. Guys, no, honestly, with this fucking fur coat and the green eyeshadow, I look like a fucking... Yo, I don't know. But I genuinely look like I own 101 Dalmatians. Hi.
Hi.
How are you? Sorry, do you know where I can get chicken? I'm not from here, yeah. Like really good chicken.
Oh no, I don't. I'm not around here myself.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, thank you. No, thank you. You didn't fucking tell me anything. I need... You know what? Actually, I'm gonna Uber Eats it. I am going to Uber Eats it because I need chicken. I can't. Can you show us the views, ma'am? I'm assuming you mean views. But, okay. Oh, he's wearing such nice pants. Wow. What a cute... I don't know if they're a couple, but very cute. Shami, do you think the Scar Care Cream is working wonders? I don't know, but I hope it is, because I'm using it. Would you actually move to London? How is it there? I would 100% move here if things weren't so expensive. Like, the only way I could move here is for love. Do you know what I mean? Like, someone saying, listen, I love you. I don't want you to go back to SA. Ika and stay. Yeah. But in terms of my own budget, move here on my own. Experience the history of Strand Palace through a cocktail menu of unique stories. Hello. Hello. I'm so hungry. I honestly, there's never been a girl more hungry than Shamiso Mosaka. Like, truly, I'm starving and I don't want some whack-ass restaurant food. I want chicken. I need... Oh my god. And I'm basically pescatarian, truly, because I really... No, I'm not pescatarian, but like, I don't necessarily care for... Also, I left my jacket at the club. I left my jacket at the club. As we were walking into the club, they were like, "Oh, you can put your jacket here," because I was holding it, so that like you can keep your jacket here. I said, "Oh, sharp." My fucking dumb ass didn't think. No, let me just take my